Hello everyone. Let's start a new chapter of geography, chapter number 7, our country, India. Now, as you know, India is a country of vast geographical expansion. The official name of our country is the Republic of India. India is the 7th largest country in the world after Russia, Canada, China, USA, Brazil, Australia. And India, after China, is the second most populous country in the world, population-wise. Now you can see on the blackboard, our country, India, is in the north side, our country bound by a lofty Himalaya. From its east side, it is bound by Bay of Bengal. From in the west side, bound by Arabian Sea. Now from its south side, it is bound by Indian Ocean. India has an area about 3.28 million square kilometer. The north-south extent about 3,200 kilometer, and from east to west it has about, from Arunachal Pradesh to Kutch, about 2,900 kilometer. The lofty Himalaya, the desert, island, plains, plateau present a diversity of landform of country. There is a great variety of climate, vegetation, wildlife, as well as language and culture. We find the unity that is reflected in the tradition that bind us as one nation, India. If we talk about the India location setting, so India is located in the north hemisphere. Let's understand through this diagram. So you can imagine that is the Earth, and Earth divided into two equal latitude, that which latitude? Equator at 0 degree. India lies here. Fine. So here you can see the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. Here you know, here is North Hemisphere and this is Southern Hemisphere. India lies here, so it is lies in which hemisphere? North Hemisphere, Northern Hemisphere. And Tropic of Cancer, which passes almost half through the country of India. And Tropic of Cancer, the degree of Tropic of Cancer is, that is 23 degree half north. Almost it divides the India into equal heavens. From south to north, the mainland of India extend between, from north to south, the mainland of India extend between 8 degree or to 37 degree north. 8 degree to 37 degree north, and India extend between 68 degree 7-minute east to 97 degree to 25 east longitude. Let us understand through this with the help of this map. So here you can see 8 degree, isn't it? So India touched the border 8 degrees 7 minutes to so it touched 8 degrees 7 minutes to 37:25 east, because 8 degrees 4 minute north to 37 degree 6 minute north, because it is lies in northern hemisphere to north. So these it extend till 8 degree 4 minute latitude north to 37 degree 6 minute latitude north. And if we talk about longitudinal extension, so it cover from, it start from 68 to 68 degree 7 minute east to 97 degree 25 minutes east. So you can see this, I touch all the boundary or four boundary of country. So it is longitudinal extension and it is latitudinal extension. Latitudinal extension, it cover between area latitudinal 8 degree to 37, and here longitudinal from 68 degree to 97 about. Now there is a difference between 8 degree to 37, 29 degree difference, and same the 68 to 97, 29. So you can, if the you know very well, sun take 4 minutes to cover one longitude to other, so it cover 29 longitude, so it take 1 hour 54 minutes, approximately 2 hours. So it understood automatically, said that there is a difference between 2 points of India from east to west. So as the difference between these 2 points would be have about 2 hours difference, as the local time change from minute every degree of longitude. So the sunrise about 2 hours earlier in the sunrise if we talk about the sunrise, so the sunrise about 2 hours earlier in the east, and which state? Arunachal Pradesh. Then in the west, Gujarat. पहले यहाँ पर सनराइज होता है और गुजरात में 2 घंटे बाद होता है. So it create inconvenience. So that is why, as you have already read in your last second chapter, that we have standard meridian of time here. When the 12 noon overhead over here, so that is the standard time for all country, whole country. So that is why it is the Indian standard time. So because there is a variation of the 2 hours between Arunachal Pradesh or Gujarat, means between 2 points of our country, the 2 hour earlier sunrise rise in there Arunachal Pradesh, and after 2 hours the in Gujarat. So it creates inconvenience. So for convenience, we have one standard of meridian of time. Standard time. The meridian or the longitude is termed as a standard meridian of time. I hope it is understood by all. Now let us understand the term peninsula. What is peninsula? Peninsula means the piece of land which is three sides covered by surrounded by water. You can see from each side it is surrounded by Bay of Bengal, from west side it is surrounded by Arabian Sea, and from its south side it is surrounded by Indian Ocean. So three side it is surrounded by water and one side by land. That piece of land known as peninsula. And the tip of peninsula known as this. The tip of peninsula known as Cape. Now the Cape of Comorin are tip like the Africa having the tip of peninsula which is known as Cape of Good Hope. And now our country, this tip, the tip of peninsula known as Cape, that our country Cape name is Cape of Comorin. Let us talk about how many capital, union territory and the state of our country. You observe the Africa Peninsula and this point of Africa known as the Cape of Good Hope. Because this is the tip of peninsula, same way our country having a tip. Our country having tip, that Cape, that is Cape, the tip of peninsula known as Cape, so that is Cape of our country. It is known as the Cape of Comorin.
Okay.